And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 59. Let's once again create an image in text effect, but this time we also want to add a stroke. First we need the type tool right here. T is the short key. We use the horizontal type tool. We'll pick a different font style here. It works on any font and style. And then we size it up, but this is way too big. Let me go down and I center it. Now I have to import the image. To do that, I'll just drag and drop it here. It takes a couple of seconds. And now I make it a bit bigger, so that's bigger than my text. And to reposition it to good position, I have to see the text, therefore I go down with the opacity for the image. And now I can reposition that better using the move tool. I want to have this name tag here of the theater inside of the A letter. So I have to resize the image a little bit more. I press Ctrl T to have the transformation active. And then I can drag this over here, make it bigger. When I'm done, I press Enter and bring the opacity back to 100%. Let me rename this first, double click, and then I can call that image. Now right click and use Create Clipping Mask. This is going to clip it to the layer below, which is our text. Contrast isn't the best, so let me change the background to black. Looks a bit better. So this effect that I've shown you in the last tutorial. And now if we wanted to add a stroke, we can simply use the blending options for the text layer. To access them, we right click on this text layer, and then we find the blending options right here. Left click on it, and this will open a new menu. It's a complex menu, but don't worry, we'll go over all of the details in this Photoshop playlist. First up, we want to check the stroke here, and this gives our text a stroke directly, and you can see it doesn't affect the image, so the image isn't clipped to the stroke is placed on top of it. This is exactly what we want. We check the box, and we left click on the category stroke, and now we can adjust it. For example, here with the color swatch, you can do that manually or use the color picker and left click on the image, for example, to get this bluish color. Here's the size adjustment. And then we can adjust the position. Usually you want to have outside, because inside puts it over the image and the text. So outside is usually what you want. Blending mode, we'll set that to normal. And you can adjust an opacity here as well for the stroke. Most importantly are certainly the color and the thickness and the size. Once you've got what you want, just confirm via OK. And now you can see there is effects and stroke added to our layer in the layers menu. And here we have an eye symbol, so you can make that visible or invisible. And if you want to access it again, just double click here and then you could adjust it. And that's about it. This is how you can clip an image to a stroke text in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.